meanwhile no na mo Igbefo na mo yedie na capital first capital of Ghana yedie enye Cape Coast enye Gold Coast fanti former kasa enkrafoma kasa enkrafoma nkacha mu se mo Igbefo mo nkom krom what is enkranya kasa oh we are santini ko ni krom da they are not ready. We are united now. All we are facing, the problem we are facing in Ghana is because of you. It's because of your leadership. It's because you people are not conveying. You people are not telling the president the truth. Say, hey, my president, seriously, when you come to the ground now, the ground ain't good because the people are angry with you. So the best we have to do, let's find a topic. Let's find discussion. We call them. We sit them down. We talk to them. That is why we need people. We need presidents. Hey, me because Mahama, I don't have problem with Mahama, but Mahama any problem say unya power no Mahama abusing the power by not talking to people. Mahama thought say I will use only my brain. Mahama uni minyans and seeing je enye airport pe NHS say when you see odo kakra. So when you have the government money and you're using to build roads, as you're building the road, you're building the airport, you're feeding your people because by right it's the same money you have to use part of it to give them shelter, clothing, and then food. But you won't tell us to say, listen, all I am doing is I'm building airports, I am building roads, and Timudia Munko. So by the time I say, why the airport not the whole population, so I am telling you that doesn't make sense because the British people will not starve people and then make something happen, but rather they feed the people. While they are feeding the people, they are doing what they have to do. Ghana, what we have to do is while we are thinking about economy, the economy, thinking about the people, what the people are going to eat, what they are going to wear, what they will put their head. But when you say you have to shut it up, and then you tell the Mosi people that they are not Ghanaians, they go back to their villages. Please, Adoye, Greater Accra is not our land. Where you live now, hey, baby, out is Siano, me patcho enya before diao. We are Igbeni, move from Accra and go back to your village. Then I'll know, say, yeah, we are proud of Igbe, but you won't leave your Igbe people there, you won't insult them, but you come rather and then tell somebody you're all living in Accra. Wouldn't say, I can't, and also the passport. You have to give you and the COVID test, boy, the man. Yes, say, what the wife say, be or say, my passport, say, Ufia Igbe ba. Now pack bone, now do motorway in the pay. You have to stamp your passport before you enter Accra. But because now everything is okay for you people, so you had the effrontery to tell Obiso Emosini, my foot.
Okay, Abraham, me say, me didn't know time. That made so me pass. Why you to grab them in Bessa Macon? Ghana ya. Set TV so and I said radio so. I jammed the bed will grow my wrong. What damn more being to me can't know. Eh? Aqua way wooden nam committee 2 jim kwasi assembly na nam godom what me so was twan ho obefe ne ho nyanyan sa ejimi nya ano edi Ghana mpedinfo atem what kind of woman be are you hwe eti wonum se Ghana mpedinfo ajimi na wo obi ajimi se ye kra banche eba dabro onim ne ye de banche ogroma ho wonim se wo you can't say a beer, you can't say a factory or chromazi. What could be such a beer? Club beer, this stuff for no, dear, I don't believe you mubiano. That is a demand in the country, and yeah, that bank, and one would say Yakra Banchi. A free crop of Flosso, and you have a good gather drum, I see a tonda. Where Jimmy for?
Yeah, thank you so much. I love this part. Bantia Seminole Canon. I love that part. You know why? Because, like I said, if Ghana can't produce enough of cassava, what do? You encourage more people to plant cassava. Now, teacher. You see, people are importing cassava because the one that we are planting in Ghana is not enough. So now, how do you create the jobs? This is what we are saying. You people don't know how to create jobs. So, because this is another avenue. You can call farmers, say, listen, now we need these tons of cassava every year. Okay, come for loans. Do this job for us and put them there. Give them the lands. And I'm telling you, Ghana will produce the cassava you're talking about. But because of your laziness, Because you're not well cultured, you're not thinking about Ghana, you're not thinking about the youth, you're not thinking about everybody. So you're sitting down and your country, a whole Ghana, when you plant cassava, or backyard will come no rather than no will say will catch and say the omu is not enough inti omu di ye be meanwhile be and omu di ya be and omu export amu and Ghanaians tenun be. So why don't you encourage Ghanaians to go into farming and plant more cassava? Because your former ex President Kufuor, when he came, he encouraged Ghanaians to do what? To plant more cassava, because on him say cassava yeah now what bana what bon so what bon utina bona you don't say I have to encourage my people to plant more cassava so that we can supply the beer factories to do where these people will make money and they won't bring their issue on you, but rather than what now and they use millions of dollars ako crab and chiaba and you're sitting here observe who catch them say oh and yeshi dabene won say yakoye banchia and a banchino yedi abagu marketer. It's not just about selling banchi in the market, but moving your people into the international world or moving your people to another world. What you see here, because I remember said the same Rollins Amumukana was able to buy cocoa from the farmers without knowing who he was going to sell it to. He did that because he wants to encourage the cocoa farmers. We will buy the encouragement and Odiama youth and say, listen, youth, this is what we are doing. Every youth make me on this amount of money. And now you say build factory, let's go, let's employ, build rooms for them. Ghanaians will work. Listen, when you pick a Ghanaian or a lazy or Ghana, when in the person comes to work. Why? Because you people are wicked. Why? Because you people are not there to encourage them to work. Why? Because you people think say you're the only human beings in Ghana who is supposed to have whatever it takes. Please, me pamacho, mama say ntie ni bi.
Abraham, me no me say me no who time. That me so do me pesa why you so grad me pesa me kon Ghana ha ya. Say TV so na say radio so. Adia me de be no okromu ase no. Wa boda mo obi ntimi kan chere no. Akwa we would nam committee 2 jin kwasi asem ni nam hodom. What me so was twa ho a obefe. Ne ho nyanyanyan sa. Etimi nya ano edi Ghana mpedinfo atem. What kind of woman be are you? Okay? That's one of say Ghana mpedinfo agimi. Na wo obi agimi se ho. Say ye kra banche. Eba dabro onim ne yade banche ogroma ho. Onim se wo ye ka say beer ye ka say factory ogroma say. Woko bisa say beer. Club beer ni staff no. Beer there and obodi yo mu beer no. It is a demand in the country. And yeah, that bank, and one say yakra banche. A free crop of flosso, and you have a good gather drum, I see a tonda. Where Jimmy for? Now look over Bakwa, one dear. One Timia Massy. Say, where you Ghana Penia, a car, Jasenka Banche, a Bebu Okuma, Avram Mose, who were quarter acre, a 4 grada.
As I'm the quarter acre, or the Jimmo Mosicafra man for Hodino.
So on your Quasia, on your Jiminia. How can you say this? Wouldn't walk Casano, a 4 would be President in a God of Omau. President and a God of Omau. What baby a yakra banchina walkano. Individuals anado. Ano moton. Ana manfa wakoto.
Thank you. On what was individuals and idea. Hobson, you're very close to the president. Hobson, please go and talk to your president. Say individuals maybe Ghana. Hobson, the same individuals in Pachok, my president in Fromo, no more Mulosine. Hobson, non sure how to plant. Why? Because your president, or Yakokra, he can never plant anything. But let your president help the youth to show them, say, listen, when you do more planting of cassava, why? But don't come and tell us, listen, individuals in other countries, so inti omudie or say because those people are not depending on the cassava. And the Indians say Wokroma UK, all the way to Ghana, Akotoland, Omu Yedi, Omu Dia Baire, because Omu shops were how Yedi, Omuton Baire. And do you know what they do? They take loans from British government. What are you people doing to Ghanaians? The Ghanaian farmers, what are you people doing to them? Nothing, zero. Even at the fertilizer, not even a year free. Sisi Adani Asen. A Greek